Hello everyone, Susanna here, Angel Intuitive and Spiritual Guidance Counselor. And for some reason I can't do live videos anymore. I don't know, whatever. We'll figure it out. Anywho, today is July 10th, 2025. Full moon this evening. Full moon. Full buck moon in Capricorn. So this is about grounding. It's a time for grounding and earthing. I'm going to say earthing. Get out there in your bare feet, in the dirt, in the grass, whatever, because we need that grounding energy to anchor things right now. So full moon, it's about releasing, right? So what do we want to release? So many things. And there's so many things. If you notice, if you're still watching the media, the news, you'll see that there are lots of shifts and lots of things coming to completion. Plus this being a 9-year, lots of completion, finally, things moving and shaking and getting there. So put out tonight. So what do you want to release? What do you want to let go of? What no longer serves you? And then let that lead into the new moon in 2 weeks to bring in what you want to replace with what we're letting go of. Or maybe we just want to be clear. We just want to be clear and just let things go. And just have room for good to come in when it's ready. But if you have ideas, if you have thoughts, if you have goals that you want to bring in later, we have to release any kind of negative blocks today and let it go. If you can be in water, I think that's good. If not, I'm just a big fan of water for clearing, for connecting. But get out, at least get out and put your feet in the ground. If you can't do that wherever you are, like here, so many people have rocks and cactus and whatever, hug a tree. Find a tree that you can hug. If you can't do that, if you have a plant, if you have a house plant, we want to earth, we want to be part of that. Touch the plant, one hand on the plant and one in the dirt, one in the soil, something like that. Connect with the earth, with the grounding on this full moon. And release any negativity. Focus on the positive love of the plant and the oxygen and the healing that it's giving you. And put that out to the universe. Share that. So, release anything negative and have a beautiful full buck moon.